today we're going to be making slime. What you'll need is 3 fluid ounces of glue, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of contact lens solution, and glitter. So just going to empty your glitter out into the bowl. Not the glitter, the glue, I'm sorry. Okay, so we've got all our glue out into there. And now you're going to need to stir in the baking soda. If you heard me say teaspoon, you actually need 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. And then you need 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. Not baking soda, I'm sorry, I'm getting all my words confused today. Contact lens solution. And stir that in, and then you can add glitter. There. Now just stir all those ingredients together. If it's not thick enough, just add more contact lens solution. That thickens it. And then, when it's the consistency of slime, you can knead it with your hands. So I'm just going to add a little bit of contact lens solution. So you just need to knead it until all that contact lens solution is mixed in. And then if you want it a bit more sparkly, you could add more glitter. So bye!